values of Sulphur Springs Dodge are to create an environment that you can't experience at other automotive dealerships. Number one, we're very transparent and easy to work with. No pressure, no hassle. You should be able to come in and say, hey, I like this car, how much is it? And get a price without a bunch of back and forth and smoke and mirrors. And it all circles back to the customer service experience.
People are treated well here. We get return customers time and time again. And you get to know these people. People in East Texas are fantastic. They're great to work with. And I've made a lot of friends from the customers that I deal with.
When we sell a vehicle, we don't want to sell a vehicle and see you later. You know, we want to build a relationship with you. When customers come to service, you know, we want them to stop up and say hi. You know, we get to know these people kind of like our family.
As far as the sales process, we're going to be very transparent. We're going to be very open. We're going to show all the numbers. It's not going to be I drove here for an hour and now the price I was told is now different. What we say is what we're going to do, and that's real important to us.
We are truly focused on making sure that every customer feels welcome when they get here, whether it's in service or in sales. And we know that if we take care of that customer today and continue to take care of that customer tomorrow, that we'll develop customers for life. We want the customers to feel that the energy is different at our dealership. We want the customers to feel the effort and work that we put in to creating this environment that can't be duplicated or replicated anywhere else. Our goal at Sulphur Springs Dodge is to be transparent, have the easiest shopping experience, and to build customers for life.